Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dasy if this is your first time. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this cute, beginner-friendly, protective hairstyle for yourself or for your little one. If you don't know how to braid a cornrow like me, no problem. Keep watching. So I like to start on clean and moisturized hair, and I like to stretch my daughter's hair without it. If you want to see how I do a wash day and how I stretch her hair without it, let me know in the comment section and I'll upload a video for you. So I'm going to start by putting this oil. I'm using the African Pride sealing oil and as castor oil and some other oils. So I'm going to use this to massage her scalp and massage her hair as much as possible. And try as much as possible to be gentle, kids can be so cranky. So first I like to part her hair, and as you can see I'm doing that with my hand first. Because our hair is really thick, as you can see, and I try as much as possible to be gentle. And after parting with my hand, I take the tail comb to like make it neat a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead to divide the front parting into 3, as you can see. Then I'm going to take one part and divide it into 4 small parts, as you can see on the screen now. Parts, then I take one part of 3 and divide into 4 smaller parts, as you can see on the screen. Put rubber bands around the smaller parts, and I like to use these rubber bands, and if you have the foam ones also use that. And these ones are better than the normal small rubber bands that are really tight, and it gives these kids headache, trust me. So try to use a foam rubber band, or that one. And I make sure I oil my fingers to make sure the hair is moisturized while I'm doing the hairstyle. So next thing you're going to do, you're going to pick one of the smaller parts, put a colorful rubber band around it. Don't make it too tight, please. And for me, I'm not using gel, but if you want to use gel, instead of oil, I would advise you put gel on your fingers and put it around the hair to make sure it's really neat. But I'm trying as much as possible to grow my daughter's hair, and trying to do away with a lot of products. So I'm not going to be using gel. That's why I'm using oil. So if you want to use gel, feel free to use gel. So I'm going to pick another color. I used pink for the one at the back, I'm using blue for this one. So that's it. I'm just gonna put different colors of rubber bands around it. Then the last two part of the first pattern, you do the same thing, two different colors. I'm not perfect. I'm an amateur at this, but I think this is beginner friendly, so anyone can do this. If I can do this, trust me, you can also. Try to brush the tip to avoid tangles. So now I'm using purple. Yay, we get a rainbow. And this is the last one from the first pattern. I'm gonna do the same thing with another color of rubber band. And this time I'm using a lime green. So you're going to do the same thing to the other two parts. You're going to divide them into 4 smaller parts each, then put colorful rubber bands around them, just like I did this one. So it's as simple as that. Now we got a colorful front pattern. So now we have 12 smaller parts in total, like 4 each for each pattern we made. So I'm just gonna put the 4 parts together to make it. So I'm just going to put all the 4 parts together with a rubber band and do the same for the other parts. Now it's all done. I just try to brush the air tip a bit. You have to be really careful not to pull the air in the front. So as you can see, I'm just gonna twist. Make sure I brush the hair well. Twist and crisscross. Like we're gonna make a crisscross with each part. So I'm crossing the one in front to the back, holding it with a rubber band, and doing the same for the other parts. So I'm going to put a natural hair into a bun, then I'll get the hair bun for the protective styling. I put shea butter and I try to brush it out to make it like more soft and fluffy. So make sure you put on the bun properly and use the clips that come with the bun, clip it into the natural hair and try to wrap it around and make it really tight. You don't want your girls airborne falling on the floor. Another tip I would like to share is make sure you protect your little one's hair before bed. Use a silk scarf to wrap the front part, and as you can see in the morning when she was going to school, it was pretty nice looking for a hair I did not use a gel for. And another thing I'd like to say is make sure you I think it's better when you start this style on stretched hair, and also make sure the hair is really moisturized, and maybe you wouldn't even need gel in the first place, but if you want it to look, you know, sleek and super neat, yeah, you can go ahead to use gel. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and share with your loved ones.